If you're a homeowner in Los Angeles, you've heard the buzzwords ADU, JDU, granny flat, but do you actually know the difference? And more importantly, do you know which one is legal for your specific property? Let's break it down. An ADU, or Accessory Dwelling Unit, is typically a standalone structure, like a guest house in your backyard. In LA, this can often be up to 1,200 square feet. It has its own kitchen, bathroom, and entrance. It is perfect for maximum rental income or complete privacy for family members. On the other hand, we have the JDU, or Junior ADU. This is smaller, usually maxing out at 500 square feet. The key difference? It must be contained within the existing footprint of your single-family home, like converting a spare bedroom or an attached garage. It requires an efficiency kitchen and often shares systems with the main house. Why does this matter? Zoning and permitting. Los Angeles laws are specific. Sometimes you can even have both on the same lot, turning a single-family home into a triplex of income potential. But you need a contractor who understands the specific setbacks and parking requirements. At RSF Construction Inc., we don't do minor repairs. We specialize in these complex, large-scale conversions. We handle the LA County permits, the design, and the build. Not sure which one fits your lot? Let's figure it out together. Call us at 1-818-699-0374 for a consultation and a free 3D design to see which unit maximizes your property value.